How to fix Steam is currently in offline mode. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Steam is currently in offline mode issue on your Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, you will need to open up your Steam. So open up your Steam and on the top left, tap on Steam. After you've done that, here you will see an option that says go online. If you see the online option, let me just tap on this. Okay, so if you see an option like this that says go online, be sure to tap on it. After you've done that, your problem might get fixed. If that does not fix your issue, you will need to open up your task manager. And after you open up your task manager, you will need to close your Steam service or Steam process. So search for Steam process here and simply end it. So let's search for Steam. It should be right here. There we go. So let's end the Steam service entirely. You can end these two as well. This will automatically get closed. And here you can see the Steam is now not anymore there. So after you've ended that, your problem should get fixed. So open up your Steam and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.